I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple causes. Power down the device and restart after 10 seconds to clear transient glitches. Once done, remove any case or screen protector and wipe the glass with a microfiber cloth so capacitance readings are accurate. Make sure the operating system and key apps are updated and free roughly 20% of storage if the system is constrained. This improves responsiveness. These steps speed diagnosis and often resolve touch delay without deeper intervention. Now you tune software behavior that affects responsiveness. Disable battery saver and low power modes because they throttle CPU and touch scanning rates. This will reveal true performance. Then turn off advanced gestures, edge swipe extensions, and reduce animation speeds so input processing isn't masked by UI transitions. Next, run the device's touch calibration or diagnostic tool and record latency numbers. Comparing before and after helps you see improvement. If calibration improves numbers, make the changes. For persistent delay, you move to firmware and app isolation. Update or reinstall touchscreen firmware or drivers per the manufacturer's instructions because corrupted firmware can add latency. Once done, boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps are the culprit. If latency drops, uninstall recent apps. If issues persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip. Test with an external stylus or known good screen to distinguish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.